Jinan Quick Full-Tech CNC Machinery Company Limited, located in Jinan, Shandong Province, China. Our company was established in the year 2012. We specialize in CNC router, CNC machining center, woodworking CNC machine, and other CNC technology products. Cooperated with Shandong Provincial CNC Research Institute. Our company is devoted to the advanced and high-end mechanical automation development. The New Technique Development Center was built in the year 2017. Quick brand has been well known in both domestic and foreign market. We know that the mechanical automation will be the trend of the world. To help human liberated from the boldness repeatable work with huge burden. More and more dangerous jobs with injured risks will be replaced by mechanical automation and industry robots. So to cooperate with us now, you will grasp the future opportunities. Our products have been sold to more than 80 countries. Our product quality are well approved by customers who cooperate with our company. After a decade of rapid development, our machine have already covered advertisement decoration, label industry, woodworking and furniture industry, mold manufacturing, crafts and most of the related industries. We are still trying our best to produce innovative products to help customers lower their costs and increase their returns. The future science and technology now is in front of you. Decrease the cost, accelerate efficiency, liberates your hands, survived from today's rat race. All starts from cooperated with us.
Hello everyone, this is our team. Welcome to our company.